Dear students, we will discuss one important functions of MS Excel's dated if function. This function is used to count the number of years or months or days in between the two dates. See the syntax over here. Equal to dated if means name of the function, and in the parenthesis starting date and ending date, and the y the parameter used to count the complete years between the dates. Instead of y, if you use d, then it counts the days from the starting date to ending date, and if you use m instead of day, then it counts the complete months between dates. Okay, and if you use yd means two characters y and d you use here, then it counts the excluding years. If you want to count only days, then you can use yd. Next, if you use ym, it counts the months excluding years, means it will not include years, it will count only the months after the completing of the years. Okay, and then md, if you use md, then it counts the excluding months and years also, means only the days after completion of the complete years and the complete months you can count only the days remaining. Okay, let us take an example. See here the date of birth given over here 9/28/2006. Please note it well. The format of date is MMDDYYYY, means starting is month and then the days and then the years. Okay, so format is month, day and year. In this format I am calculating the difference between two dates. Okay, so please note it well. So here I have used date of birth in this format 9/28/2006. Okay, and current date is July 21st 2020. Right, so here we will be calculating between these two dates how many years passed. Okay, so use equal to, then dated if, and then write the date of birth and then current date, and then use y parameter. Y is converting or calculating these number of years between these two dates. See over here 13 years passed between these two dates. If you want to calculate number of months, then what you will be using? You will be using dated if, date of birth, current date, and then you will be using here m. Okay, see the results. In between these 2 days there are 165 months, and if you want to calculate the number of days between these 2 dates, then what you will be using? Dated if, date of birth, starting date, current date. Okay, and you want to calculate days, so here you will be using D and then press the enter key. There are 5045 days between these two dates, means date of birth, starting date to today's date. There are 5045 days. Okay, so in this way you can count the number of years between two dates, you can count the number of months between two dates, or you can count number of days between two days. Suppose if anybody wants to calculate his age, present age, using this function, then how he can do? Let us see. The July 1st 1971. Suppose anybody is having date of birth is July 1st 1971 and today's date July 21 2020. Then how he can calculate the number of years? See the functions, dated if, and I told you the date of birth B3, and then I told you write the current date B4, and then parameter y used for count the complete years. See the results, 49 years. Still he want to count that how many months passed after the 49 years. Then if he want to calculate, he'll be using dated if, and then current this date also, and then he will be using ym. Ym means excluding years, as I told you earlier. See the results, 0 month means July to July, 0 month. But days, if he want to find out, then dated if B3 B4, and then MD I told you used to exclude years as well as months. Okay, see the results, 20 days. It means the person is 49 years, 0 months and 20 days old as on today. Okay, so in this way you can utilize the dated if functions to calculate the age of any person or calculate months, years and days between two different dates. Thank you.